Namaste and thank you for joining us. My name is Imran Sable and I'm truly humbled to take you through this demo of CypherSOL FinTech, India's first automation tool crafted specially for tax professionals that can automatically group ledgers and reduce suspense transaction directly from bank statement, saving hours of manual efforts during ITR filing and accounting. CypherSOL has been built by a passionate team of finance and technology professionals with deep industry experience aiming to solve real challenges faced by professionals like you. In this session, I'll walk you through our flagship bank statement analyzer and tele integration and show you how it can simplify your work, improve accuracy, and save valuable time, especially during the busy filing season. Let's start with the dashboard. In the first card, you can see how many total reports have been generated so far, how many bank statements were included in those reports, and the total number of pages across all statements. You can also see the total number of extracted transaction and the time saved, which is calculated assuming the 10 minutes are saved per pages. It even shows you the average time saved per day. Next, you can also see the validity of your plan. Both summary has the filtered data by duration. The third card is for cross-selling opportunity, where tax professionals can refer their clients for loan products and earn a healthy commission. It displays the total number of eligible customers for whom the bank statement is already uploaded in the system, and estimated commission earning based on referrals. Below, there is a recent report table where you can access all your previous generated reports. Each report comes with these key action buttons. View report means open the full dashboard where the user can see the complete summary and even file the ITR based on the data shown in the report. They can view and edit all the transaction, manage ledger groupings, handle suspense entries, and access several other useful features all in one place. Add statement used to upload missing months or add an additional bank account. The report auto updates with the new data. Edit category allows editing of ledgers and categories and also lets user save keyword rules to improve future automation. Delete report let you permanently remove the selected report if it is no longer required. Download offers three ready to use export options: the full report, only suspense, or just the summary. Especially for suspense, you can directly download the list of unknown transactions and share it with your client for clarification. A very handy and time saving feature. Upload suspense lets you easily upload the corrected suspense Excel received from your client, saving time and avoiding the need to manually re enter correction. If there is any issue with the process of bank statement, it will be flagged here. Now let's go to the generate report section. While generating report, you will be asked to enter a report name and then upload your file. This can be a PDF, Excel or CSV. You can either click to upload or simply drag and drop the files. The system supports uploading one or multiple bank statements at once, even across different bank accounts, making the process smooth and efficient. After uploading, you will see options like select the bank name, choose the financial year, set the start and end date, and enter a password if the file is protected. You can also click on preview statement to confirm the date range before processing. Once everything is set, just click generate report to begin the process. Generating report takes approximately 1 to 1.5 seconds per page depending on the configuration of your PC or laptop. You can see the report has been generated successfully. Click on view analysis to access the generated summary and a detailed breakdown of the bank statement. Under the particulars section, you will find a table displaying important figures such as total debit, total credit, opening balance and closing balance, that too month-wise and annually. Scrolling down, there is a table for income and receipts where all income and receipts related categories are listed along with their respective amounts. Categories include debtors, UPI credit, loans, salary received, and more. You can also click on any category to view the specific transaction under it. Similarly, we have classification of important expenses with categories like creditors, probable EMI, and others. There are also a section for other expenses followed by contra, credits, and debits. By default, cash withdrawal and cash deposits are automatically classified under contra. All of this classification is powered by over 7,500 data points intelligently filtered by our system. This ensures that even micro level income and expenditure entries are accurately categorized, providing complete clarity for your report. Let's move to the transaction tab. Here you will find every transaction extracted from statement displayed in a structured table. The category column shows the assigned category for each transaction while the ledger column displays the relevant ledger bucket. There is also a voucher type column. If you want to update the category of a transaction, simply select a new one from the drop down menu. Once you make a change, a pop-up will appear asking if you would like to add a keyword. Adding a keyword ensures that similar transaction in future reports will be auto-categorized the same way. Below that, a list of similar transaction will appear. You can select specific one or all of them and categorize them together in just one click. Once confirmed, the category will be updated and the changes will instantly reflect in the summary. You can also bulk update categories. Select multiple transaction, click bulk edit category, choose the new category from the drop down, confirm, and all selected entries will be updated at once. Ledger names can be edited in a similar way. You can change a single transaction ledger by entering a new name and clicking save. To update multiple ledger names, select the transaction, click bulk edit ledger name, enter the new value and confirm to apply the changes. If you prefer editing in Excel instead of the platform, that's possible too. Click the download button to export all transactions into an Excel sheet. Working in Excel is completely optional and mainly for those who are habitual to it. We recommend using the software for your daily routine as once you are familiar, it is much faster and more efficient than Excel. In the downloaded file, you can modify ledger name, then save the updated Excel.
Once done, you can upload that saved Excel to our system and it will show you all the categories which you have changed, new categories versus the old categories, and the new categories will be marked in blue. After confirming the update, the transaction sheet will refresh with all the new categories which you have updated in our Excel sheet.
Let's now look at how suspense handling works. We have already done the major job by automatically reducing most of the unknown transaction using our smart categorization engine. For the remaining unknown entries, you can simply download the suspense report and share it with your client for clarification. As you know, a lot of time is usually wasted in identifying unknown transaction and chasing client for updates. But with CypherSOL, this becomes a one-step process. Once your client review and send back the updated file, you don't need to make manual changes. Just upload the corrected Excel file using the upload suspense option. The system will automatically update only the corrected transaction and retain the uncorrected ones as they are.
After that, you can view our datas and creators tab. In that, we have all those transactions which have been categorized as datas and creators. The next is UPI credit and UPI debit. We also have a month-wise visualization. You can also check and uncheck on those graphs. Next, we have cash withdrawal, cash deposits, all the EMIs. We also have divided the EMIs as their frequency. You can click on a particular EMI and have a detailed analysis of all those transactions. Next is the investments. refund and reversals, if there's any insurance, your contra credit and contra debit, and end of the day balance. Here you can view your end of the day balance in the month-wise column. Now let's move forward to our Tally upload. Before we upload our transaction to Tally, first we need to create our ledgers. In the ledgers section, all the ledger name are being pre-populated by our transaction sheets. After that, we need to set our ODBC setting in our Tally, and after the setting has been done, we just need to enter the port value in the above section. In the company section, we can view a drop down of all the companies which we have created in the Tally. For the demo purpose, we create a new company. So let's name it demo. And we need to make sure that the company's financial year should match with the bank statement which we are uploading. We should also change the current period as same as the bank statement. After that, we can refresh import and view all the new companies which we just created in Tally now. After you select the company, all the existing ledger of that company on Tally will be fetched and identified by a system. After that, you need to select a ledger group for all the ledgers. In the drop down, you can see all the ledgers which are present, all the ledger group which are present on Tally. You can select one by one, or you can also select bulk ledger groups. For the demo purpose, we'll select Sunday creators. You can also enter GST number, address, pin code, state, country, and opening balance for the respective ledgers. After you validate the data, you just need to upload to Tally. Here you can see we are importing 557 ledgers, and we also have an option to upload to Tally Prime and Tally ERP. For now, we'll select Tally Prime, and after confirming the company, we'll start with the upload process. After the process is started, within seconds, all the Tally ledgers will be uploaded. So after successful completion, you can view how many ledgers have been successfully uploaded, how many are failed, and what are the total number of ledgers. If there will be a failed ledger, the error will pop out. Let's cross verify that all the ledgers have been created or not. As you can see, all the 557 ledgers are successfully imported in our Tally. After creating all the ledgers, now we can upload our transaction sheet. Make sure that the same company which we have uploaded our ledgers is been selected while uploading the transaction. If we do not have any bank ledgers created in a new company, a pop-up will show to create a new bank ledger. Here the opening balance will be fetched by a transaction sheet. After creating the ledgers, you can change the ledger by the drop down. All the ledgers which have been created on your Tally will be fetched over here. After validating the data, you just need to upload to Tally, confirm the company, and click on the confirm button, and the upload process will begin. After the process is completed, here you can see that the number of successful transaction which has been uploaded, the number of failed transaction, and the total transaction. If any transaction will fail, it will be marked as red, and the successful transaction will be marked as green. As a complementary, we also have our Excel solution for the same. In this, we also have our sales, purchase, and multi-stock vouchers. You can use them for a Tally upload needs. Thank you everyone for watching this demo. You can schedule a call or book a demo for a trial period from our website.